Lots of pumpkins. Hello. We're having a brilliant day.
We both fast at the same time. Are you feeling the pumpkin chair? Yeah.
Amazing. Well, go and get lots of awesome photos and we'll see you in heaven.
Okay, brilliant. Thank you very much.
For those pesky spiders.
Is there some spiders?
So if you see any, okay?
Yeah.
Report back how many you can find.
Okay, brilliant. See you later. See you later, scarecrows. Oh, look at all this. Wow. How many pumpkins? Oh, wow. Oh, what's this? Pumpkin soup. Oh, it smells of pumpkins as well. Pumpkin spiders. Let's have a look. Go on then, let's have a look, see where it is. Ah!
Two so far. We've seen two so far. Three. See three. Four.
Oh my.
Four. Five.
Oh, there's another look at them all here. Wow. Wow, look at these, more pumpkins. Hello.
Should we have a photo together in our pumpkin family?
Okay, brilliant, yeah.
Should we do that?